Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices edged higher as the dollar and bond yields fell ahead of US inflation data that could offer more cues on the Federal Reserve's rate hike path. The dollar weakened after Federal Reserve officials signaled that the central bank was nearing the end of its tightening cycle, although it traded in a tight range ahead of a key US inflation report. Shares of Coinbase jumped as much as 16% after the crypto exchange reached an agreement with Cboe's BZX exchange to maintain a surveillance sharing agreement for 5 of its spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund applications.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 09:30 GMT, the US Fed's Beige Book at 1800 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.